Hello guys, do you want this cool name tattoo in After Effects? Today I will show you how. First, make the clip in composition. Then in Effects and Presets, search for Lockdown plugin. If you don't have the plugin, join my Discord server in bio. Now click on Pop Out. Hold Control on your keyboard and make a mask by holding the left button on your mouse. Be sure you have the extremely accurate option chosen. If you have, click Track All, then wait. When the tracking finishes, you can close the plugin. Now click Lockdown. You will see another 2 pre-comp clips have appeared. Open the pre-comp. You can remove this layer. Now make a text layer. Name it as you wish. Now follow my steps. Make the color black for the best results. Press T on your keyboard. Change the opacity to 20 or more. In Effects and Presets, search for Gaussian Blur. Change the blurriness to 20 or 10. That's it, guys. Be sure you are joined in my Discord server for plugins, color corrections, and more. Like and subscribe.